Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Charmaine, and in this video, magluluto tayo ng adobong pusit. Napakasimple lang ang recipe na ito. Ang mga sangkap na ating gagamitin ay bawang, sibuyas, siling espada, soy sauce, brown sugar, and squid. First, igisa muna natin ang bawang at sibuyas. Then, let's add the green chilies and squid. And then, add some soy sauce. I also added a little bit of salt and brown sugar. Put it on a medium heat until luto na ang squid or kapag konti na lang ang sauce nito. And now we have it, our very own adobong pusit. A very quick and simple recipe na tsak magugustuhan ng buong pamilya. Sobrang sarap po nito. I really like it when it's a bit spicy and sweet. Sometimes I cook this with Sprite. Masarap din kapag Sprite ang ginagamit. Solve na ang ulam for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, it's me, Charmaine. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!